Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson number 9, Institutes of India. What do you mean by institutes? An institute is an organizational body created for a certain purpose. An organization whose purpose is to the advanced study of a particular subject. They are often research organizations or research institutions created to do research on specific topics. Okay. India is the land of Vedas. What do you mean by Vedas? Vedas are the 4 sacred books of the Hindus. Okay. There are 4 Veds. Vedas, Rig Ved, Sam Ved, Yajur Ved and Athar Ved. Okay. It is an old country but a young nation. India is an old country but a young nation. Young nation means युवा राष्ट्र है ना, youngster youth or nation. India's educational system has always been excellent from the Gurukul system to the present day international schools. What do you mean by Gurukul system? The Gurukul was the type of a school in ancient education system. Okay, the Gurukul system is an ancient learning method to the present day international schools like our schools. Okay. India is the world's third largest education system. India is the world's third largest education system. Write the names of places where the institutes given below are located. Okay, look at the first one. Central Leather Research Institute. What do you mean by leather? Leather means a material made from the skin of an animal by tanning. Okay, so this is the Central Research Institute is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Central Leather Research Institute is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and this is the world largest leather institute. Was founded 24th April 1948. Okay. Now the second one. Second one is Central Drug Research Institute. Drug means medicines. So Central Drug Research Institute is located in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. This is located in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. This institute dedicated to research in the field of drugs or medicines for medical sciences. Okay. Now the third one. National Defence College of India. The National Defence College of India is located in New Delhi. Okay. The National Defence College of India is located in New Delhi, is the highest seat of strategic learning for officers of Indian Armed. Indian Armed means Indian Army, okay, Navy, Air Forces and the civil services of India like IAS officers, IPS officers. Okay. So National Defence College of India is located in New Delhi. Now the next one. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that we also known as AIIMS. Okay. All India Institute of Medical Sciences is situated in Delhi. Okay. This is a medical college. Okay. All India Institute of Medical Sciences is located in Delhi. Now the next one. Central Building Research Institute. Central Building Research Institute is located in Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand, India. This is Council Scientific and Industrial Research India and has been vested with responsibility of generating, cultivating and promoting building sciences and technology in the surface of the country. Okay. Now the last one. Vishwa Bharati University. Vishwa Bharati University is a public research university. Okay. And it is located in Shanti Niketan in West Bengal, India. Okay. This Vishwa Bharati University is located in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal in India. And it was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Now look at this corner. Bethune College is a women's college located in Kolkata. Bethune College is a women's college, okay, and situated in Kolkata and is affiliated means registered to the University of Calcutta with a motto of Vidya Vindate Amritam. Motto means M. Okay. M क्या है इस यूनिवर्सिटी का? विद्या विंदते अमृतम मीन्स विद्या अमृत के समान होती है. And it is the first women's college in Asia. This is the first women's college in Asia and the oldest women college. Okay. I hope you all are understood this chapter. Try to learn this chapter. Okay. Okay students, now we are move on our next chapter, chapter number 10. Highest peaks. What do you mean by highest peaks? Means the top of a hill or mountain ending in a point. है ना? A highest level of a mountain. Okay. Mountains make up about 1/5 of the world's landscape. Mountains. What do you mean by mountains? A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding lands in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. Okay. Mountains make up about 1/5 of the world's landscape. Landscape means earth's surface and provide homes to at least 1/10 of the world's people. 1/10 of the world's people lives in the mountain areas. So these landscape or mountains provide homes to them. Okay. Look at the pictures of the highest mountain peaks of the world. Write where they are located. Okay. Now look at the first one. First one is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on the earth. Okay. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on the earth and which are located in Asia. Mount Everest is located in Asia and the height of this mountain is 8,848 meter. Okay. Now the second one. Second one is Lords. Mount Lords is the fourth highest mountain in the world. Okay. And it is located in Nepal. Lords mountain is located in Nepal and the height of this mountain is 8,516 meter. Okay. Now the third one. Third one is Mount Elbrus. Mount Elbrus is located in Europe. Okay. It is the highest mountain in the Europe. Okay. And the height of this mountain is 5,642 meters. Okay. Now the next one. Next one is Mount Wilhelm. Mount Wilhelm is situated in Australia. Okay. It is the highest mountain in Australia and the height of this mountain is 4,492 meter. Okay. Now the next one. Now next one is Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley is the tallest mountain in North America. Okay. And the height of this mountain is 6,193 meter. Okay. Mount McKinley is also known as Mount Denali. Okay. Now the next one. Next one is Shisha Pangma. Shisha Pangma is situated in Tibet. Okay. Shisha Pangma mountain is located in Tibet and the height of this mountain is 8,013 meter. Okay. Now the next one. Next one is Mount St. Elias. Mount St. Elias is located in Canada. This is the highest mountain in the Canada and the height of this mountain is 5,489 meter. Okay. Now the next Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in Africa. Okay. It is the highest mountain in Africa and the height of this mountain is 5,895 meter. Okay. This is the highest single free mountain in the world. Now the next one. Next one is Aconcagua. Aconcagua mountain is situated in South America. Okay. This is the highest mountain in South America and the height of this mountain is 6,960 meter. Okay. I hope you all are understood this chapter. Try to learn this chapter. Okay. Do practice at home. Thank you. Stay happy. Stay safe.